How I opened a successful tattoo studio. Running a shop these days is not as easy as it used to be. 15 years ago, I started my own shop. I had 4,000 euros to my name, and that's all I needed to get it going. These days, no way this budget would be good enough. Everything went up. Rent went up, wages went up, marketing budgets need to be higher, you need stuff like inks, needles, everything. But one thing that has not changed is your work ethics. I strongly believe that you should never go for the money, but always go for the quality. If you have to spend one more session to make sure that the end result of your tattoo is going to be way better, never unexpectedly charge this extra session to your client. Instead, make a good deal with your client or even do it for free. By the end of all the sessions, if your customer goes home, he will be super happy with your finished end result, but also with your work ethics. And those work ethics, the whole experience of the tattoo session, is not only important on the day of the tattoo itself, but it starts from the minute that they send the first email to you. It also doesn't end on your tattoo session. It ends with all the emails and the communication that you have afterwards, with aftercare, for example. That's exactly why we made Tattoogenda. Tattoogenda is a software to run your own tattoo studio with. It sends out some emails automated to your clients, like a list of their appointments, a reminder to their appointments. It even lets them pay their deposit online. It sends out an after-sale email in which you can ask the customer if everything is healing well, and way more of these features. If you want to find out if Tattoogenda is a good match to your studio, check out my link in the description and we'll figure it out.